Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress website private. Let's begin. First, open your WordPress homepage, click on the login button at the top right, and sign in using the continue with Google option to access your dashboard. From there, on the left panel settings, click on the settings tab. Then at the bottom, you should have the option to interact with the hosting features, all right? Click on it, and from there, select Settings again to open a detailed configuration settings. On the settings page, look for the private option. Make sure to turn it on to restrict access only to authorized users that can view your website. And once done, click on the Save button to confirm your WordPress website is now private and secure. And that's it. You have now successfully made your WordPress a private website. I hope you found this video very helpful.